we have here is we have a 400 Pontiac stroker. We stroked this out to a 461 cubic inch. What we put in this build was a 4340 crank, 8-stream rods, forged pistons. Compression ratio came out to be approximately 9.83 to 1. Hydraulic roller camshaft. Fitted it with a set of Edelbrock cylinder heads, matching Edelbrock intake, roller rockers, hydraulic roller camshaft, aluminum water pump, quick fuel carburetor, chrome valve covers. This build was for a restoration. The guy was not looking at a tremendous amount of horsepower, wanted good solid drivability, something that was really dependable and drivable. This engine produces just shy of 500 horsepower, a little over 550 foot-pounds of torque. Very strong power band, good running engine. The guy should be very happy. Idles at 900 RPM without a problem. Other than that, it's turned out to be a really great build. I think the customer would be very, very happy. Like I said, I want to stress that this engine was designed for drivability, not overall projected horsepower. You know, max horsepower's drivability is what the key focus on. So we'll make a dyno pull and show you how it sounds.